Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to create Instagram posts on different niches, and you can sell this service on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. And you can also reach out the local brands and offer them that you can maintain their Instagram presence. So guys, let's get started. And in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and stunning Instagram post for entrepreneurships. So you can reach out the startups and new businesses for this purpose. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best online graphic designing tool. You don't need to be an expert of graphic designing or don't need to have an experience of 2 to 3 years. You just started. So let's get started and click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post. I choose square for this. You can choose portrait or square, it's your own choice. So it is loaded, and now I search here entrepreneurship. So as you can see, there are different post templates, and we can choose one of them. Like I like this one, and this is good. Yes, so I change the style. Yeah, it's look great. After that I want to change this image, so I go to background, sorry, photos, and here I search entrepreneurship, entrepreneur. And I like this photo and I place it here. No, I think it's not look good. We have a photo. I think it's look good. Yeah, it's look good. So after that you can customize the template like 23 May, time, and you can change the font. After that you can change it here, and you can also change the background color like light color. Yeah, I like this one. And after that you can also customize this. I provide here dummy name like johnadam.com. you just uh, uh, you just have to get the details from client and just copy paste it here. So in this way you can create a stunning Instagram post for entrepreneurs or entrepreneurship or new startups. So guys, this is it. So guys, I have to tell you something, that if you don't know about canva.com or you don't understand what I am doing, then go to my channel Iron Tech, and this is the channel, and here I uploaded different uh, multiple courses, and you can see shorts, or you can go to playlist section, and when you can go to playlist section, I uploaded different courses here. So these are the premium skills, and go to free Canva designing course and watch this course. You can understand all the things about Canva. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye. And guys, one more thing I forgot, that please when you watch the video, then like the press the like button. It will tell algorithm that people are liking my videos, so they can push this video to the like minded peoples. So that's it. Goodbye.